Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how to make your battery stay longer. Okay, you're gonna go to setting, you're gonna go to general, then you're gonna background app refresh, press it, then I turn it off. Next you're gonna go to privacy, press it, location services, scroll all the way down, press system services, turn all of those down. The product improvement, and make sure you have that from control center. Gonna go lower power mode, then you're gonna turn it on, then it will stay for you 20 hours, so you charge it to 100. Thanks. I hope you subscribe for more tips.